Good morning, students. So, it is our next chapter, chapter 6, forgiveness. Forgiveness means maaf karna. It is always better to forgive than to take revenge. We should always forgive a person who is doing or thinking wrong for us. We should show mercy towards our enemies. Mercy means kindness. So, we should always show kind behavior to our enemies. Mercy means ultimate victory over our enemies. Mercy can put our enemies to shame for their wrongdoing. When we show mercy towards our enemies, so it is ultimate victory of ourselves, and it can put our enemies to feel shame for their wrongdoing. The word mercy is full of truth and wisdom, and it is the most divine quality of human being. And the showers of mercy are gentle and sweet. The best way to take revenge is by showing mercy other than doing any wrong thing. Jesus Christ's last words were, Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they do. And mercy is the ornament of the brave. It is the strength of a brave person because it purifies our soul and raises us above the common rule of humanity. Once, when Leonardo da Vinci was painting, he became angry with a certain man. Leonardo da Vinci was a great painter in history. Once he was painting, so he became angry on certain person. He temper His temper fled as he lashes out with bitter words. He was in anger and not in his control. He tried to paint the face of Jesus, but he could not get success because he was not in control and not concentrate. Finally, Leonardo da Vinci left his painting and went to look for the man and asked forgiveness. After that, he could complete the face of Jesus. Once there was a slave. Slave means a person who is doing work for any other person, that is the owner of the slave, that is called the master. So once there was a slave named Androcles in Rome. His master was very cruel and ill treated him. His master's behavior was not good against his slave. So a slave got fed up with his master, and one day he ran away to a forest. Suddenly he heard a lion's roar. Androcles saw a thorn in a lion's paw. He pulled it out and rubbed the paw with leaves. Soon the lion recovered with this pain. Androcles and the lion became friends. One day his master's men were passing by the forest. So they saw him and he was brought back home. His master wanted to teach him a good lesson because he left his master place and ran away to a forest. So his master ordered his men to throw this slave in front of hungry lion, so a lion can kill the slave. The lion recognized him and started wagging his tail. Means the lion moving his tail towards the slave. All were surprised to see this. The master freed Androcles from this slavery. Androcles was very happy. He went away with the lion to the forest. So, the moral of the story is mercy is the sign of bravery, and we should always show mercy and kind behavior with our enemies and a person who is doing wrong with us.